Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles. Today we are going to solve a full rank Sudoku created by Christoph Silliger, published on the Logic Masters Germany portal. Christoph has published many wonderful Sudokus on the LMD portal, majority of which are rated above 90% on the portal. Christoph was also a contributing Sudoku author at the World Sudoku Championship held in 2019 in Seeblick, Germany. I will add the link to all of Christoph's Sudokus from the LMD portal in the description of the video. Please give a try of his Sudokus, many of which are wonderful and excellent to solve. I will also add the online solving interface for the Sudoku in the description of the video. The rules are: you have to place the digits from 1 to 9 in every row, column and 3 by 3 block. From left to right, right to left, top to bottom and bottom to top, you can now read 4 into 9 is equal to 36 9-digit numbers. A clue gives the position of the, by a clue it means the outside clue, it gives the position of the 9-digit number starting from there in a list which is created by ordering this 36 numbers starting with the smallest. Okay, so in fact we are making this video today based on a request from a viewer who said that this Sudoku was difficult to understand and would love to see a video made on the same. So to explain the rules in a simplified way, I have taken a sample Sudoku grid. In fact, this grid is actually the correct solution of the Renban Sudoku that was covered in the channel a couple of days back. So you see that I have numbered all the outside clues, right, from 1 to 36. So basically what you have to do is, when you read the numbers inside the grid from left to right, right to left, top to bottom or bottom to top, you will have totally 36 9-digit numbers. Now what do you do with those 36 9-digit numbers? You have to arrange them in ascending order, starting with the lowest of the 36 9-digit numbers, and then you have to keep on increasing them, arranging them in increasing order until you reach the largest one. Then you number the 36 9-digit numbers based on their increasing order. The lowest one will be given position of 1, the next highest one will be given a position of 2, the next highest one will be 3, and so on and so forth until you reach 36. Now, having said the rules, the tricks to solve this Sudoku are, you will understand that any of the clues on the border of the grid, right? These are the cells which are in the border of the grid, and they will have 1 to 9, right? They will have 1 to 9. Any side if you take, they will have 1 to 9. So, all of the border clues, any of the border clues in fact, if you take this one, it will be seen exactly by 4 outside clues. So, if you take this one, it is seen by 1, it is seen by 2, right? It is seen by 3, and it is seen by 4. And similarly, if you take 2, it is seen by 5, it is seen by 6, it is seen by 7, and it is also seen by 8. So any of the digits from 1 to 9 will be seen exactly by 4 outside clues. So what it basically means is that the 36 9-digit numbers, when arranged in ascending order, the 1 to 4 positions will have the inside digit as 1, 5 to 8 outside clues will have the inside digit as 2, and 9 to 12 will have 3, 13 to 16 will have 4, 17 to 20 will have 5, 21 to 24 6, 25 to 28 will have 7, 29 to 32 will have 25 to 28 will have 7, and 29 to 32 will have 8, right, and 33 to 36 will have 9. And you need not take this grid alone, you can take any valid Sudoku solution grid and try to number the 36 9-digit numbers. You will see that any of the outside, any of the digits on the border will be seen by exactly 4 clues. So with this idea, we can start solving this Sudoku. Right, we know that 1 to 4 outside clues will have the first digit as 1. We can use the same to make the grid. So 3 4 will have 1, and 5 to 8 will have 2, right? So 5 and 6 will have 2, and there is 7 here, so this will also be 2. There is no more 8. Then 9 to 12 will have 3, so 9 to 12. So 9 is 3, 10 is 3, 11 is 3, there is no 12. 13 to 16 will have 4, so 13 is 4, 15 is 4, there is no 14 and 16, right? Yeah. So 17 to 20 will have 5, so 17 is 5, 20 is 5, 18 is 5, and 19 is also 5. Then 21 to 24 will have starting digit as 6, 21 to 24. So there is a 22 here, this will be 6, and no more 21 to 24. And 25 to 28 will have 7. 25, 27. So 26 will have 7. There is no more 28. Right, 29 to 32 will be 8. So 29 to 32, no clues. Right, 33 to 36 will be 9. There is only 33. And this will be 9. You see that we have made a very fast start to the Sudoku with the help of the trick that I stated. In fact, it's not a trick per se, but it is the basic starting step that you need to do. Oh, we have an outside clue which is not filled, so this must be a 5 to 8 will be 2, right? Yeah. So this is the basic starting step in a full rank Sudoku. You can still solve without using this starting step, but it will be extremely difficult to solve. With this starting step, the Sudoku gets simplified a lot, much more in fact. The next step that you need to look for when doing a full rank Sudoku is search for clues which have at least 2 filled digits, right? So why do we need to look for clues which have already 2 filled digits? If you take this 22 clue in this direction, top to bottom, it has only 1 clue. However, the 5 and the 6 clues have 2 digits in their direction. So when you have 2 or more digits, it will be easier for you to compare and get more digits. So that is the reason you have to look for outside clues which have already 2 digits or more digits in their filled in their direction, right? So we have a 5 here which is 2 6 and a 6 here which is 2 7. So 7 must be at least 7, right? Because it has to be greater than the 6 clue. So this must be either 7, 8 or 9. But 7 and 9 are not possible. So this will be an 8. And is there an 8 clue? So there is an 8 clue here, right? And this must be greater than the 7 clue, right? So it is 7 clue is 2 8. So this must mean that this is at least 8, but 8 is not going to be possible. So this would have to be a 9, so that the 8 clue is greater than the 7 one. So basically we are getting fragments of 9-digit numbers, and using the outside clues we are proving that those numbers are greater than the clues, right? Okay, so we have got some digits going now. Let us look at this 25, 26, 27 clues because they are very close and they also have 2 digits like I stated. So 25 is having a 7 and a 1. 27 is also having a 7 and 2. So 26 will have either 1 or 2. Why? Because if it has a 7, if it has a 3 for example, it means that the 9-digit numbers starting from this direction will be greater than the number starting from this direction, which is going with 7 2. So which will be a violation, which means that this is going to be 1 or a 2, but you have a 2 outside, so this will be a 1. Great. Now we have got 22 which is 6 and 1. So which must mean 21 would also be 6 and 1, right? Because 21 to 24 will have starting digit as 6, and since 22 is having the second digit as 1, 21 will also have the second digit as 1. Now we need to look for another 6. Basically you can't have the 6 in this direction and having the second digit as 1 because 1 will be already in that column. So this row is also ruled out, and this row is possible. No, this row is also ruled out because any of the 6s here can't take a 1 because 1 is here. So 6 would have to be in any of these 4 cells, but it can't be here because if you have here, then 1 must be here to satisfy the 21 clue, but it's not possible. So 6 must be here, here or here, and 1 must be here, here or here, and the outside clue must be 21, 21 or 21. So one of these 3 outside clues must be at 21, right? So now let us make some more pencil marks. 2, 3, 5, 1 and 7. So this is 4, 6, 8 or 9, but 6 and 8 are not possible. So this is a 4 or a 9. Alright, we have a very sharp deduction now. You look at this 25 clue and 26 clue. The 26 clue, maximum digit that is going to come here is a 5, right? Because 6, 7, maximum digit that will be here is a 8. Because 6, 7 and 9 are ruled out. Now if the 25 has a 9 here, then this will be greater than the 26 clue, which is not possible, right? So this must be a 7. this must be a, sorry, this must be a 4. We had a 4 or a 9 as candidates here, so this must be a 4 because it can't be a 9. So these 3 digits now must be 6, 7, 9. You have a 9 here, so this must be 6 or 7, and these two must be 6. This must be, sorry guys, 2, 3, 5, 1, 4, 7, so they must be 6, 8 and 9. So 9 is here, so this is 6, 8, this is 6, 8, 9, and this is 6, 8 and 9. Great. Okay, we have a 15 clue which is 4, 9, right? Which means that the 13 and the 14 must be lesser than this, right? Yeah. But 13 has a 4 but no other digit here. Maybe we can try to fill in the possibilities here. 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 8, 9 are rolled out. So this is going to be a 2 or a 6, right? This will be a 2 or a 6. And we don't have any information about 14 or 16. But one thing we can say for sure is that because 15 is 4, 9, your 16 will also have first digit as 4 and the second digit as 9 because 16 needs to be greater than 15. So let us look for the 4 clue. 4 clue cannot obviously be here and have the 9. We need to find the 16 clue now. I am basically trying to find the 16 clue. So it cannot be this way. So it cannot be this direction because 15 is here. So 4 would have to be, 16 clue would have to be in this direction. So either this cell, this cell, this cell or this cell. But 4 cannot be here. So the 16 clue must be in one of these 3 cells, right? This must be a 16, this must be a 16 or this must be so. And 9 must go into one of these 3 cells. Right? Because to counter the 15 or rather to have a value greater than 15 clue, we need to have a 4, 9 and that can happen only in this side. That is what I have basically done. We have a 7 on 4 here. We know that the 26 must be greater than the 25. So this must be either 4 or greater. So this can only be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. But 6, 7 and 9 are rolled out. So this must be 4, 5 or 8. Right? Can't be anything else. So 27 is 7, 2. And 26 is 7, 1. I think we can't use this clue to gather any more information. So let us start highlighting used clues. 27 we already got the information. And 26 must be greater than 25. So this can still give us some information. Let us start making some more pencil marks. So along row 9, you have 3, 4, 5, 2 and 7. Remaining digits are 1, 6, 8 and 9. But 1 and 8 is here. So this must be a 6 or a 9. And this is a 9. So this must be 1, 6, 8. And we have 1, 6, 8 and 9 into these 4 cells. Into these 2 cells. Okay. We have 17 clue, 18 clue and 19 clue, right? Let us try to make use of them. So 17 is 5 or 3, which means that 18 must be minimum 3 here. So it must be 3 or greater. So this 3 cells, this cell can't be 2, 4, 8 and 9 or 1 or 5. So this can only be 3, 6 or a 7, right? This can only be 3, 6 or 7. Right. If you look at column 5, 3, 4, 5, 7 are givens. And 1 to 9 have been placed. So this must be 6 or 8, right? Only 2 possible candidates. And this cell along row 1 can only be 8 or 9 because 2, 5, 6, 3, 4 are out of equation. This must only be 8 or a 9. And this can only be 1, 7 or 8. So 5 clue, the 6 clue is already greater than the 5 clue, right? 6 is 2, 7 and 5 is 2, 6. So these 2 clues are already used. So we can just highlight them. And 7 is also greater than the 6. So we can highlight that as well, which is not giving us any information. And 8 is also used, right? So we can highlight that because they have already been taken care for their increasing value. Okay, look at this 3 clue and 4 clue. 3 is having 1 8, which means that this 4 will either be 8 or more than 8. But we know for sure that 9 is not going to be here because the 16 clue will be 4 9. So this is not going to be a 9, which means that this cell has to be an 8. What a deduction! Very narrow deduction in fact. So let us try to focus these 3 and 4 clues more. So this cell is going to be 9 is not possible, so this is only 3, 5 or a 6, right? 1, 2, 4, 7, 8 and 9, so this will be 3, 5 or 6. Okay, so this must be minimum 3 so that it's greater than the 3. Okay. The 10 clue is 3, 2, right? Okay. Let us look at the 9, 10 and clue, the bunch of these clues. So 9 has a 3 and 10 clue is 3, 2, which means that 9 must be lower than the 10. So this must either be 1 or a 2, right? But it can't be a 1, so this would have to be a 2. Beautiful. So this is a 2. In full rank Sudoku, you'll always see that the deductions are hard to come by. It's a very difficult Sudoku. But using the tricks that I stated, we can complete this Sudoku faster. So basically, you have to look for clues which are already 2 filled in digits. So we saw that the 9 and the 10 have 2 digits, and using the 10 clue we placed one more digit for the 9, right? So this will be 3 2, and now 11 is greater than the 10, so we can highlight the 11. This is not going to help us, and 12 clue is yet to come, right? So this is 10 11 12, so 3 will be in this direction somewhere and 12 will also be here somewhere. And that must have a digit which is greater than 4. So let us not highlight 11 for now because it still can be used. So 10 clue is 6 or 8, which means that this cell must be less than or equal to this cell. So this can't be 2, 3, 5, 9 or a 4. So it can only be 1, 6, 7 or 8. But 1, 6 and 8 are not possible, right? So the only possible digit here is a 7. Amazing. So which means that this digit must be 8, because if it's 6 then the 10 clue becomes lesser than 9. So this must be 8. Beautiful Sudoku, guys. Beautiful. You can see that the deductions are coming very, very slowly. You have an 8 here, so this must be 6, 9 and this must be 6 and 9. So this is not a 6 anymore, so this is a 3 or a 7. Great. So which means that this cannot be 21 clue, because we know for sure that 21, because of this 22 will have a 6 and 1 as starting digit. So we can eliminate the 6 from here, and which means that because 6 and 1 or 6 and 1 will be here, this cannot be a 1. So this must be only 5, 6 or 7, right? 1, 4, 9, 2, 3, 8 are ruled out. So this must be 5, 6 or 7. And because of the 8 here, you will have 1 or 7 here. And because of the 8 here, the 8 must go in box 1 into one of these two cells, which rules out these 3 cells for 8. So 8 must go in row 7, column 1 in box 7. Beautiful. And because of these two 8s, 8 must go into one of these two cells, right? And these 3 cells must be 1, 4 and 6, but 1 is here, so this is 4, 6. And because of the 4, you get a 1, 6 here, which gives the 4 here. So this is a 4, and now we can eliminate the 4 from here. This is not a 4, so this is a 5 or 8. So 4 must go into one of these two cells, which means that the 4 is going to one of these two cells because of this 4 and the 4 here. So let us make some pencil marks along column 2. 2, 3, 7, 8, 1 and 6. So remaining are 4, 5 and 9. So this is 4, 5, 9, this is 4, 5, 9 and this is 4, 5, 9. And similarly along column 1, 3, 4 and 6 are left out digits. This is 6, so this is 3, 4, 3, 4, 6 and this will be 3, 4, 6, right? So as I said earlier, this Sudoku requires a lot of patience, and you need to look closely at digits because they are not going to be easy to come by. Okay, we have a 2 here, we get a simple digit here, so this will be a 6 and that eliminates the 6 from here. This 6 gives an 8 here, which gives a 5 here, which rules out the 5 from here. Beautiful. And because of this 8, we will get an 8 here using classic rule. And this must be 3, 4 or 9, but 4 is here, so this is a 3 and 9. Now we get a triplet 3, 4, 9. And let us focus on rows 1 and 2 because they are almost filled. 2, 5, 6, 8, 3 and 4. Remaining are 1, 7 and 9. We can candidate them 1, 7, 9. And along row 2, 1, 5, 7, 8, 2 and 9. Remaining are 3, 4 and 6. So 3 is here, which means that 3 must go into one of these two cells. We get a pair here, so this must be a 6 and this must be a 5 or a 7. And this must be a 1, 5 or a 7. And let us look at column 5 because it has 6 filled in digits. So these 3 cells must be 1, 2 and 9, right? The rest are all filled. 5, 7, 8, 3, 4, 6. So 1 is here, so this must be a 2 or a 9. And this must be 1 must be in one of these two cells. But 9 cannot be here because of 9 here. 1, 4, 7, 2, 8, 3, 5, 6 and 9. But 6 is here, right? So 6 would have to go here in box 9. And which means that this cell must be a 9. And this cell must be a 3 or a 5. And because of this 5, we get a 5 here. We are getting some good progress now. This must be a 1 or a 7. So using the tricks that I stated, we are getting very fast digits. So let us look at row 8 because it has 6 digits again. 1, 6, 8, 2, 4, 9. Remaining are 3, 5, 7. We can pencil mark them. So these are all used clues. We don't need to focus on them. And 9 and 10 are also used, so we can highlight them, right? They are also used. And 11 is greater than the 10, but 12 is yet to be found, so let us not highlight it now. So 3 can still be used because 4 is still there. And there is no information about the 33 clues, right? There is no information because 33 to 36 are not present, only 33 is there. Okay, column 8 is almost filled, right? So we can fill in more digits. So this must be 1 or a 3 and this must be 1 or a 7 because 4, 5, 9, 2, 6, 8 are filled. 5, 6, 9, 1, 3, 7. So remaining are 2, 4, 8. This is 8, so this will be 2, 4, this will be 2, 4, 8 and this will be a 2, 4 or 8. Okay, let us look at row 5 now. 3, 7 will not be in these 5 cells and 3, 7 is not here and 3, 7 is not here obviously. So this must be a 3, 7. We get a 3, 7 pair in row 5. The 19 clue is having a 5 and 8. The 18 clue is having 5, 3 and 7 and it's going to be greater than the okay. Oh, you have a 6 here, right? I didn't see that. So you can simply place the 1 and the 6 here. And now this is going to be useful for us, right? Because you have a 5, 3, 6 here, which means that if this 18 is going to have a 3 here, it is going to be lesser than the 17 clue because 5, 3 and the next cell digit will be 2 or 4, which means that the 9-digit number will be lesser than the 17 clue. So which means this cannot be a 3, this would have to be a 7. So you can, I hope you appreciate how difficult the deductions are and they are very narrow and difficult to see. So this 7 gives a very razor sharp in fact. So this 7 gives a 1 here, this is a 3. And because of this 7 we get a 3 here, a 9 here, a 4 here and a 3 here. Beautiful. We are getting some quick digits now. So this must be 4, 6 and this must be 5, 9, right? 5, 8, 9, 2, 3, 7, 1, 4, 6, yeah. And you have a 1 here, which means that 1 in column 5 has only one cell left. So this will be a 1 which gives a 1 here and a 7 here. And these two cells must be 7, 9, right? I am cautiously going because I don't want to mess up the Sudoku. 1, 3, 4, 9, 5, 7, 8. The remaining digits are 2 and 6. And row 9, 2, 4, 7, 9, 3, 5, 6 remaining are 1 and 8. You can pencil mark them. And this is a 1, so this must be 2 or a 9. Now what do we need to find? The fourth clue is 183. It is having 3 filled in digits. Okay, look at this 3 and 4, guys. We know that the 4 clue is having 183 here, which means that the 3 clue cannot have a 5 here. What a deduction, what a very sharp deduction. Because if this cell is a 5, then we are having 1, 8 and 5, which means that this clue will be greater than the 4 clue, which is a violation. So which means that this will be a 3, right? And this must be a 5. So this must be a 5, 7 and this must be a 5, 7. So 17 and 18 are used now, so we'll highlight them. They are not going to give us any more information, and 19 is also not useful, and 20 clue is greater than the 19, so they are also not useful. Let us make some more candidates. 1, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, so remaining are 2, 3 and 9 along row 7. So almost filled in the Sudoku, but still it is hard. Okay. We can make use of this 21 clue, right? We know that 21 must have 6, 1 and 1 is here, so this must be a 6. Beautiful, guys. What a Sudoku. So which means that this must be a 21, right? And it must be lesser than 4, because if this clue is greater than 4, then 21, 22 will be a violation. So which means that this is 2 or 4. Beautiful. And now we have a 2, 4 pair, which means this must be an 8. Amazing, guys. Amazing. It's very difficult to solve such Sudokus. Because of the 6, we get a 4 here and 6 here. This 4 gives a 4 here and a 2 here. And this 4, we know that for the 16 clue, it must be greater than 15. So 4 must have a 9 here. This must be a 9, and which means this must be your 16 clue, and that gives a 5 here. And this must be 2, 7, right? 7 is here, so this is a 7, and this must be 2. These two cells must be 1 and 4. These two cells must be 5 and 8, right? 3, 5, 8, 1, 2, 6, 4, 7, 9. 1 and 4. So you can see that the first 3 columns and the last 3 columns are filled. However, the middle 3 columns are getting neatly pencil marked. We need to get one push, and I think the whole grid will be completed. So these 3 cells must be 2, 6 and in some order. Now we need to see how to continue the Sudoku. So we have shaded most of the outside clues. So let us try to focus on clues which are not shaded. So 25 is 7 on 4, 26 is 7 on 5. So this is also not going to help us in the solve. We can shade them. 22 is 6 on 4 and 21 is 6 on 2. Again, not helpful. Shade them also. The 11 clue is 3, 4 and the 12 clue is 3, 4, 9. So this is going to be a 12, right? And this is already greater than 11, so we can shade those also. These are also not helpful. The 15 clue is 4, 9 and 16 is 4, 9, 7. So 15 and 16 can also be shaded. The 13 is 4, 6 and the 15 is 4, 9. We are not yet sure where the 14 will be. Can we focus on where the 14 is? Because we already have the 16, we also have the 15, we have the 13. So 14 must be in this direction. So which means this must be a 14, right? And it is 4, 6 and 5. Wow, what a direction, guys. So look at this 13 clue and 14 clue. So if you have a 9 here, the 13 clue becomes greater than the 14, which means that this must be a 2. So I think this must be the final thing in the Sudoku. This must be 3, 9, this must be 3, 9. We know that 13 must be lesser than 14, which is why this is 2. So now this is also used. And 33 has no information. Let us leave that for now. So beautiful, guys. Look at columns 4 and 6. 2 possibilities in each of those cells. And if I am not wrong, we need just one of the digits to start a chain reaction and the Sudoku will be over. So So the only possible clues left are 3 and 4. Let us hope that those give information. So 3 is 183 and 4 is 183. So which means that this digit must be greater than this digit. Wow, superb guys, what an excellent finishing touch to the Sudoku. So if this clue is 2, then the 4 clue becomes less than the 3 clue, right? Because 3 clue is 183 and 5 or 7. So this cannot be a 2, this will be a 6. So this is a 6, which means this is a 2, this is a 2, this is a 6. And this must be not a 7 because then 3 will be greater than the 4. So this is a 5, this is a 7, this is a 7, 9, 9, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1, 1, 8 and 8 and 5. And that finishes off this excellent Sudoku. A very hard Sudoku, there is no doubt about it. But I hope you guys understood the tricks that I stated. Always the outside clues which have 1 to 4 as given the outside numbers, the first digit will always be 1, and similarly they will increase in steps of 4 until you reach 33 to 36, which will have 9. The next step is to focus on clues which have at least 2 or 3 digits already filled in the given direction, which will help you progress in the solve faster. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me solve this full rank Sudoku by Christoph. I really enjoyed solving this Sudoku. Please let us know in comments what you thought about the Sudoku, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you all soon.